In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return Wayfair furniture. This guide is specifically for large items, so if you're dealing with a bulky piece, you're in the right place. Start by logging in to your Wayfair account. Once you're in, head to My Account, then select My Orders to open your order history. To make things easier, use the search or filter and type Furniture. This narrows the list so you can quickly find the exact furniture item you want to send back. When you locate the item, select Return Item. You'll be prompted to choose a reason for the return. Pick the option that best describes why you're sending it back. Clear reasons help ensure accurate processing. Next, choose Refund as your preferred outcome. Wayfair will then show you any applicable return shipping or pickup costs for large furniture. Take a moment to review these fees before you continue. They're displayed up front so there are no surprises. Because this is a large item, you'll schedule a pickup instead of dropping it off. Follow the prompts to choose a pickup date and time window that works for you. You'll also select the pickup location, either your doorstep or a specific room. Pick the option that reflects where the item can be safely accessed. If there are stairs, tight hallways, or building entry requirements, make sure that area is clear so the carrier can move the piece out without issues. Now, prepare the item. If you still have the original packaging, place the furniture back in it. This offers the best protection. If original packaging isn't available, keep everything together as securely as possible. Disassemble the item if it's required or if it was originally delivered in parts. Keep all screws, bolts, and hardware with the item so nothing goes missing during transit, and make sure surfaces are clean and free of personal items. Proper preparation helps prevent damage and can speed up the return process. Once everything looks good, confirm your return and submit the request. You'll receive confirmation detailing your pickup appointment and any costs you reviewed earlier. From here, wait for the scheduled pickup. A carrier will come to collect the large furniture right from your selected location. You don't need to haul bulky items to a drop-off point. That's the benefit of the large item return process. After pickup, your return moves through inspection and processing, and your refund is issued based on the method you chose. That's all there is to it. Simple, clear, and designed for big items.